If someone told you a 30-year-old truck is worth more than a brand new sedan, you'd think they're crazy. But I'm about to show you 5 90s pickups selling for more than cars fresh off the lot. And the craziest part? They keep going up. Last month, a guy in Colorado sold his 1997 Toyota Tacoma for $28,000. His neighbor just bought a brand new Hyundai Elantra for $26,000. A truck 3 decades old beat a brand new car. That's not nostalgia. That's the market screaming something. These aren't just old trucks. They're the last generation built before planned obsolescence became the business model. Subscribe because today you'll see which 90s pickups are worth more than most people's daily drivers. Number 1. Toyota Tacoma 1995 to 2000. Clean 90s Tacomas are selling for $18,000 to $32,000. That's more than a new Nissan Versa, new Mitsubishi Mirage, or new Kia Rio. There's a Tacoma forum where owners post sale offers they rejected. One guy refused $29,000 for his 1998 with 220,000 miles. Why? Because he knows next year someone will offer $32,000. The 3.4 V6 is bulletproof. There are Tacomas with 600,000 miles running like new. Meanwhile, that brand new sedan, it'll need a major repair at $80,000. The Tacoma is appreciating while new cars are depreciating. It's an investment that drives. Number 2. Ford F-150 OBS 1992 to 1996. The OBS F-150, old body style, is a legend. Clean examples sell for $15,000 to $28,000. That beats most new compact cars. I met a collector in Montana with 7 OBS F-150s. Paid average $6,000 each 5 years ago. Today, worth $20,000 each. He turned $42,000 into $140,000 just by parking trucks in a barn. The 5.0 and 5.8 V8s and engines are indestructible. No fancy electronics to fail, no turbo to explode, just cast iron and reliability. It's why ranchers keep OBS trucks forever, while new trucks sit broken at dealerships. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 1988 to 1998. The square body and GMT400 Silverados are hot, really hot. Restored examples hit $25,000 to $35,000. That's luxury sedan money. A guy in Texas bought a 1995 Silverado Z71 for $8,000 in 2019. Put $3,000 in restoration, sold it last month for $27,000. Made $16,000 profit. Try doing that with a new car that loses 30% the second you drive it home. The 5.7 Vortec 350 is legendary. Simple, powerful, lasts forever. These trucks outlive their owners. Meanwhile, new trucks with aluminum bodies and computer-controlled everything, good luck at 200,000 miles. Number 4. Ford Ranger 1993 to 1997. Clean Rangers from this era sell for $12,000 to $22,000. That's more than several brand new economy cars. There's a landscaping company in Arizona running 15 Rangers from the 90s. The owner was offered new trucks with 0% financing. He refused. His Rangers cost nothing to maintain and never break. New trucks? In the shop every month. The 4.0 V6 is a tank. Rangers with 400,000 miles are common. The truck that costs less than a new Corolla but lasts 3 times longer. Do the math. Number 5. Dodge Ram 1994 to 2001. First-gen Rams with the Magnum V8s are climbing fast. Nice examples hit $15,000 to $25,000. The 2nd and 5.9 Magnum engines are bulletproof. There's a Ram owner group where the average mileage is 350,000 miles. Original engines. Try finding a modern Ram doing that. Collectors are buying these now because they know what's coming. In 5 years, these will be $40,000 trucks. So here's reality. A 1998 Tacoma holds value better than a 2024 sedan. A 1995 F-150 appreciates while new cars depreciate. These 90s trucks were built in the last era, when lasting forever was the goal. You can buy a new car that'll be worthless in 10 years, or a 90s truck that'll be worth more. Smart Money already chose. Drop in the comments which one you'd rather own, a brand new car or one of these legends. Next week, I'm showing you modern trucks losing value faster than ice cream melts. Don't miss it. Hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.